Welcome to the wionpodcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we uncover nature's twist on eternal youth and how the secret might be to be born a turtle. Discovery revealing how some cold-blooded creatures barely age at all. Scientists have finally cracked the code on how to remain young. Actually, it's quite simple. You just have to be born as a turtle. The two studies published in the journal have presented limited evidence of cold-blooded species escaping aging. They have called for further research to show how they do it, which can benefit human health and longevity. In their findings, the scientists for the first time found that turtles, crocodilians, and salamanders have particularly low aging rates and extended lifespans for their sizes. For example, Jonathan the Seychelles giant tortoise is 190 years old and is believed to be the oldest living land animal in the world. These researchers used a technique called mark recapture that is used to estimate the size of a population. Under this technique, a small number of individuals are captured and then marked and released back into the population. The scientists used this technique to analyze the mortality estimates based on probabilities. We found examples of negligible aging, explained biologist and lead investigator Beth Reinke of Northeastern Illinois University, as reported by AFP news agency. Negligible aging or senescence does not mean that they're immortal, she added. What it means is that there is a chance of dying, but it does not increase with age. It was long believed that ectotherms, an animal that is dependent on external sources of body heat and has lower metabolism, age slowly than endotherms, which internally generate their own heat and have higher metabolisms. However, in the new study, it was revealed that the metabolic rate was not the key factor as was previously thought. According to the study, some of these species are even able to reduce their rate of senescence, the process of deterioration, in response to the improved living conditions in zoos and aquariums compared to the wild. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come.